Okay, it is January 19th, and I just missed it. Nix and Taters, they love to howl. They have these cute little howls they do. Let's see, and from this distance, I can't tell which black and tan is which because their markings are almost identical. I think Nix is the one in the back. Yep, that's Nix. Look how she gets up. Look how she's standing. Oh, rats, I missed it. Sorry about that. Look, she's trying to climb up the wall. Oh, that's Daisy over there in the background. She's going crazy. She's turned into a very protective mom with her little puppy Taiyaki. And let me see, then Taters is the cream, and the one with the back tails, that is Senko, and then that makes it on the left. I'm going to show you something really, oh look, it almost looks like Tenko's giving, oh they're giving kisses. The almost twins are giving kisses. Oh there they are, look at that, how cute. Yep, this is Daisy in the background. Daisy! Shh. Let me show you what she's doing. Where is she? There she is right there. There's Daisy over in her pen with her baby, with Taiyaki. And look, Daisy spends so much time learning about the other litter that she totally forgets about Taiyaki down there. What are you doing, Daisy? Huh? Look, you messed up my focus. There we go. Yep, there's Daisy with her. Remember, this is her first litter, if you want to call it that, her first newborn. There's Taiyaki. Look, listen to that. She cries all the time. So far, anyway. But she's still a newbie. Look at that big, see the back half of her? That's a big fat stomach in the back there. She's eating well.